up in the functional imaging, so-called fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging that they used in the study. What's really interesting about this study is not just that dopamine was released anytime that something the subject wanted to see happened, right? Anytime they wanted to see their team score, they scored. But also during surprise. So if they thought, for instance, and they would hit a button to predict that their team was going to score on this particular drive and they didn't, well, then dopamine could also be released in response to that surprise. So this speaks again to dopamine being something that's important, not just for positive events, but for unexpected events. Now, that's all very interesting and speaks to the fact that dopamine is a kind of flexible currency in the brain. It's doled out, if you will, or released when something that one hopes will happen happens, and it's released when there's a surprise, even if it's a kind of a negative surprise. It's not something that the subject wanted to happen.